Doctor, good morning. How can I assist you today? Patient, good morning, doctor. I've been experiencing a persistent headache for the past few days, and it's starting to worry me. Doctor, I see. Headaches can be quite uncomfortable. Can you describe the nature of your headache? Is it a dull ache or more of a throbbing sensation? Patient, it's more of a throbbing pain, especially in the temples and behind my eyes. It gets worse as the day progresses. Doctor, I understand. Have you noticed any triggers for your headaches, such as certain foods, or lack of sleep? Patient, I haven't noticed any specific triggers. It seems to happen regardless of what I eat or how much rest I get. Doctor, okay. Have you experienced any other symptoms along with the headaches, like nausea, dizziness, or sensitivity to light and sound? Patient, yes, I have been feeling slightly nauseous, and bright lights. Doctor, I see. Based on your symptoms, it's possible that you're experiencing migraines. However, to rule out any other underlying causes, I recommend conducting a thorough examination. We may need to perform a few tests. Patient, that sounds reasonable. What kind of tests do you have in mind? Doctor, initially, we'll conduct a physical examination, checking your blood pressure and heart rate. Additionally, we may request blood tests and a brain imaging scan to rule out any other potential causes. Patient, I appreciate your thoroughness, doctor. What are some common treatment options for migraines? Doctor, treatment for migraines can vary depending on the severity and frequency of the headaches. In some cases, lifestyle modifications like managing stress, getting regular exercise, and maintaining a consistent sleep schedule can help. Over-the-counter pain relievers, such as ibuprofen, may also provide temporary relief. However, if these measures aren't effective, we can explore prescription medications specifically designed to prevent or alleviate migraines. Patient, I'll definitely try implementing those lifestyle changes. I'm hoping to avoid relying on medications if possible. Are there any alternative therapies that could help? Doctor, certainly. Alternative therapies such as acupuncture, biofeedback, and relaxation techniques have shown promising results in some individuals with migraines. It's important to remember that what works for one person may not work for another, so it might require some trial and error to find the most effective approach for you. Patient, I'm glad to hear that there are alternative options to consider. I'll keep an open mind and discuss them further with you. Is there anything I can do in the meantime to alleviate the pain during a migraine episode? Doctor, during a migraine episode, finding a quiet and dark environment to rest in can be helpful. Applying a cold or warm compress to your head may also provide some relief. Additionally, some people find relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing exercises or meditation, to be beneficial in managing the pain. Patient, thank you, doctor. I will try those techniques and see if they provide any relief. Is there anything else I should be aware of regarding migraines? Doctor, it's important to track your symptoms that may be contributing to your migraines. Keeping a headache diary can be useful in this regard. Also, if your symptoms change or worsen, don't hesitate to reach out for a follow-up appointment. We can adjust the treatment plan accordingly. Patient, I will definitely keep a record of my symptoms and reach out if anything changes. Thank you for your time and guidance, doctor. Doctor, you're welcome. It was my pleasure to assist you. Remember, I'm here to help, so don't hesitate to contact me if you have any concerns. Let's schedule a follow-up appointment after your tests, and we'll discuss the results and further steps. Patient, sounds good, doctor. I appreciate your care and attention. I'll see you for the follow-up appointment.